Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening with the clouds that are rolling in. We're expecting some rain by Thursday. Take a look at the high temps today. Boy, real nice day with the sunshine. We topped out between roughly 52 and 55. The clouds taking over late this afternoon, and they continue to roll in advance of our next weather system, which arrives just before daybreak on Thursday. It looks like a widespread rain and cool day coming up on Thursday. Ironically, the first day of spring, at least according to the calendar, the vernal equinox. So a dry Wednesday evening, your wet weather on Thursday. The commute looks wet with a steady rain likely. By early evening, it'll taper off to more of some drizzle and some light showers, but the evening commute looks wet as well. Just think the rain is heavier during Thursday morning. Friday's a windy and warmer day. Unfortunately, even with the temperatures, which are pretty mild, it'll be well into the 60s. We got a gusty wind on Friday, though Friday itself, in terms of rain, is really not a washout, just a few rain showers. And I'm going to set the stage for some weather coming up this weekend. Right, in satellite and radar composite, you can see. Now we're taping this as of, what time is it here? 9:35. And you can see the leading edge of this precipitation now, western New York State covering most of Pennsylvania and just outside of New York City. So this arrives during the overnight pre-dawn hours. Here's the wider view, and this will be moving through and really controlling our weather through Thursday. So grab the umbrella. So that's what it looks like right now. We can take it to the future. And you can see that precipitation moving in. So even before sunrise, by 6 o'clock in the morning, it's just a widespread rain on top of us through the early afternoon. And this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still some lingering rain. And then by Thursday evening, 7 o'clock, even though the thrust of the steady rain is moving offshore, we'll be left with low clouds and probably either a little bit of mist or some drizzle for your Thursday evening. We'll get in real close and we'll walk you through it hour by hour. And let's put this into motion and take you through the overnight, which is mainly dry. But you see that precipitation coming in throughout the early morning. And there we are at 9 o'clock in the morning. And the areas of darker green and yellow indicate moderate to, at times, some heavier rain. It's cool. It's in the 40s. Here's another look, kind of another vantage point. Actually, this is another computer model. So we're going to play this back again. And this one shows the precipitation coming in before 6 o'clock in the morning. And then here we are at 9 o'clock, widespread rain. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still some rain. Temps in the upper 40s. Now the thrust of it's moving away by late day, early evening, but we'll be left with low clouds, some fog and drizzle, and then slow drying out process later on your Thursday night. So here we are Thursday morning. 6 a.m. Now, there may be a little bit of a mix of some wet snow well north and west of Providence around 5, 6 a.m. Not a big deal. That's going to quickly change over to rain. So bottom line, grab the umbrellas for your Thursday and even into the afternoon as well. Temperatures that'll be reaching the upper 40s. And then by 6 o'clock in the evening, it's more of a drizzle, mist, and fog, but clouds and kind of cool and damp. All right, 7-day forecast. Friday is a warmer day. It's the first full day of spring. And look at the temperatures now. These 60-plus degree temperatures are mainly across inland areas. Near the coast, it'll be cooler. The only downside here, I don't see a lot of sun other than some partial sunshine, but very windy. I'm thinking gusts maybe as high as 30, 35 miles per hour. So it may make the 60, 65 degree feel cooler. And I do expect at least a couple of widely scattered showers. What will happen, though, by later Friday night and the weekend, back to sunshine. Cooler on Saturday, but much cooler on Sunday with some sun. 24 degrees at sunrise and 42 by Sunday afternoon. So we're quiet for now. We've got that widespread rain on Thursday, a windy, warmer day on Friday with a few rain showers, and then a dry and bright weather, but cooler weather coming up for the weekend. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.